guys, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I went to Target, Dollar Tree, 5 Below, and then we also went to Half Price Books. I was like, what's that place called? Since we didn't get too much there, I'm gonna actually show you what we got there first. Okay, so we went with my in-laws and they actually bought this for my daughter. So I told them that they need to get her this because it's actually a little bit pricier there, but they ended up getting her an Imagine Ink book of Cocoa Melon, and it ended up being $4.99. And then they got her this really cute bug. My father-in-law actually picked it out. So cute. But it is real markers. I'm sorry if you guys are getting the glare. It is real markers. So me and my husband were like whispering to each other, this is definitely gonna be you know, a at their house thing. And this one was $7.99, which is a really good price for that. So I'm actually gonna give her this real quick right now. All right, so the next place we actually went to is 5 Below. So we didn't get a lot of things again either. I'm gonna show you what my husband did get. He got a really, really cute, like Funko Pop thing. Is it even? Yeah, it is a Funko Pop thing. He got that. I got a paper soap. I love these. If you guys have never tried them, they're little sheets and you just wet your hands and you wash your hands. But I love that this one actually, oh my god, did I just break it? Oh no, it's just on the thing. I love that this one snaps closed and it has this little thing here, so it's easier for me to just hang from my bag instead of having to dig for it in my bag. So I'm so happy I found that there. And then I got two of these. They ended up being $3.25 each. You see why I feel like the other one is so much more expensive for $5. But I found two of these. She goes through these really, really fast. So I love that they had them there. So I picked those up. And then the last thing I got at 5 Below is this, and it is a light up bubble blower. She loves bubbles. If you guys don't know, they had this one, an alien one, and something else, but I chose this one because I thought it was really cute, and we'll probably take this with us when we go to the zoo. So now let's go ahead and jump into Dollar Tree. So my husband actually picked up some of these. We already have some in our front lawn, but they're solar lights and they're really, really cute. So he got a couple more for the other side, and then he got a bin. I picked up some of these. Simple, you know, with us. Switch them out every 3 months, but I was running low, so I needed to pick up some more of those. I got some of these. If you guys have never picked these up at the dollar store, I feel like they're so handy. They're basically like little sauce. I'm literally gonna take it out to show you. Yeah, there. They're like little sauce things. You just cover it up. I love using this for when I make his lunch. Traveling somewhere and I need to pack like ranch, ketchup, or anything like that. It makes it easier. And then I was hungry, so I picked out some of these. I absolutely love these. And normally I feel like they have the dark chocolate ones, and they have the milk chocolate this time. So I was excited. Got that. I got another little notebook. So I had bought one a while ago to put my recipes, but the book was already getting ruined because I got it like a paperback book. So I just got an actual hard case one to, you know, put it in. A lot better. I got some Puerto Rican coffee for my mom and my grandma, since they love that coffee. And then we ended up getting these. My husband's like, we might not use the actual dough that's in this, but we're gonna use the molds with her clay. So we found we found three actually from Encanto. So we got, I believe this is Isabella, Luisa, and Maribel. So we got those. We're excited for those. So I am considering homeschool, so I thought that this would just be good to kind of just have. I almost never really see stuff like this. I feel like someone around the neighborhood probably is a teacher and wipes these all out. But yeah, I got that book. I thought it would be good to have on hand. I also got some of these. These are multi-purpose clips. I like these for chips. My husband picked out some Play School premium quality washable crayons, since we always break the crayons. I actually use these little scented garbage bags for her, in her diaper bag and for her poopy diapers. So we always pick those up every time we go. We got her some more Play-Doh. We already originally got her these two. She has not seen this one yet. I don't even think she's seen the Ninja Turtles yet, to be honest. And I just saw this, and I don't know where my father-in-law got this, but he got it for my daughter. And I really have no idea where he picked it up. And then, you know, we're still on Dollar Tree here. So my husband really wanted this. He said, this is the Play-Doh I grew up with. So he got that for himself. And for Gia. You guys know I do love picking these up when I see them because they're always selling out too. She already has the Frozen one, and then I always love picking up extras, so I picked up a Princess one, and I also picked up an LOL one, which is actually her favorite stickers that we have at the moment for her. There we go. And basically it's just a book. I don't know if you guys can see that in the back. It's just a big book that opens up and has a whole bunch of stickers that just stick to this, and it actually sticks to some of like her other stuff that she has in her room, and they like come off very easily. Like if you're traveling, you should definitely check these out because they're reusable. I got some cups. That's kind of very boring. And then I'm actually going to make birria, so I wanted to be extra and make it look like I'm, you know, cooking in a restaurant. So I got some of these. They come in quantity of 4. So I got 3 of these, and then I got, these have quantity of 14, but I got a couple of these, which are the little things that go inside of it to be fancy looking. So that is Dollar Tree. Let me organize myself and show you guys what I got at Target. So at Target, I picked up her Honest Kids apple juice. So we don't really give her juice, but I have to give her iron. So this is kind of where I put it in. I don't like giving her sweets, but it is what it is. I got some more Ritz for us. I got some goldfish for her. And then we got some bread. Last time I bought this on Amazon, it was like $6. Right now when I looked, it was $16. Is basically backups of the Imagine ink. This was $4.99 in the Target. So if your child loves that, go to Target. They do not have it in the arts and crafts section. I learned that. They actually have it where the books are. And they actually have the entire like Imagine ink where the book stuff are, which I didn't think that they would be there, but they are. If you watch my videos, you guys know I love this. Cookie dough, 350 degrees oven for 10 minutes. Amazing and chewy, but you gotta take it out exactly at 10 minutes. You can't let it sit there. I got some of our favorite mandolines. We love these. Love the chocolate as well. We got some turkey. I do like the buttermilk more, but I haven't been able to find them. So, but we did get 2 of my second favorite biscuits. My milk. So the next things we got at Target. So we know most of the shorts I've got for her for summertime are 2T, 3T. But I noticed that when I actually tried them on her, my baby girl either got taller or she lost weight. I think she got taller because they fit her kind of like really loose around the waist. So I got some size 18s and I measured them next to each other, and they were just like barely different in size. The 24 months, which is 2T, versus the 18 months. So I just got the 18 months because I was like, you can't even tell the difference. And then I got her these. And then I picked up this cute little PJ set that was on clearance, 2T, because it's actually pretty big. And then I got this, and it comes with this. It's so cute. And I was like, that's adorable. I'm like, right? So we got that one. We went with my in-laws, so they actually picked out some stuff for her as well. So they picked up some shoes. We really like the lightweight shoes that are not heavy for her little foot. So we got her these. Well, we picked them out and we tried them on her, so that's why I keep saying we, but they got her these. And then these as well, these were $16. I thought they were so adorable. I really wanted sandals that are not like pink or colorful because I want them to be able to match a lot of her little outfits. And then these are actually my favorite ones. They're so cute. They're adorable. And they fit her little foot perfectly. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I'm sorry I'm a little distracted. My daughter's running around and living her little best life. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys have picked up at Dollar Tree or Target or 5below recently. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.